Landon Flaman, branch manager for Stream-Flo in Red Deer, Alberta. In our Red Deer facility, we assemble wellheads, we install wellheads, and we maintain them. We offer plenty of different services such as greasing, lubricators, just general maintenance. We take care of as far north as the Brazeau Dam, as far south as Calgary, as far east as the Saskatchewan border, and as far west as the mountains. It's a big area, a very diverse area. We have a lot of sour fields, CO2 injection, deep high pressure wells, shallow low pressure wells. We kind of see it all in Red Deer. We're one big happy family. We care about each other, not only the work we do, but who we are as people.
Hi, I'm Sean Farger. I'm the material handler technician out of Stream-Flo Red Deer. Been Stream-Flo since October 1st, 2012. I order all the stock, send it all away, make sure all the inventory numbers are correct, do all the builds. All shop supplies and stuff like that usually go through me.
Matthew Foster, service tech. Yeah, I really like it, like good work-life balance, home every night. Like I used to work away all the time and now it's nice to be home. It's really tight, like we're all a good group here. Everyone it's all friends, even management back of the shop, like it's all one crew. Like we get to see a lot of the processes in the oil field from start to finish with our work, so you get to learn a lot too. I love being out in the field. That's my favorite thing. Like I like the shop too, but out in the field, that's kind of what you sign up for as a service tech.
I'm Justin Ryzock, and I do inside sales at Stream-Flo. I've been with Stream-Flo for 26 years. I started off as a service technician, and then I progressed to CP coordinator and service manager. From there, basically, I went into inside sales, and I've been there ever since. Working with the people and the environment, good positive attitude from my coworkers and people I talk in the field, and just a good place to work.
I've been at the company for 16 years. Worked my way up through the ranks, seen pretty well every side of the business from the branch level. Being a field guy in my previous life at Stream-Flo, I feel like I can cope with what the guys are going through. So I think they can appreciate that. They know that my boots have been on the same ground that they're walking, and it makes me fit in with the guys a little bit better. We all have a role to play, but I think we all know who we are as people, which is important to me, and I think important to the whole staff. I knew early in my career that I liked what we did and the people I worked with. Advancing to the position I'm at now was not really a goal. I just knew that if I was working with the team, that I would get to where I needed to be eventually. Your reputation is everything, because just because somebody works here one day, they could be working for a competitor or a customer the next day. So I feel like we've all done a good job of servicing our customers, being a team player with some of our vendors, even being a team player with some of our competitors. So I think we have a good reputation.
It's cool, like looking back, I see some of the old photos, the old service trucks and stuff, and just how far it's come. Modern technology, even tools, methods, different technology we use for the wellheads and whatnot, it's definitely come a long way. It's really rewarding, like you get to feel like you're a part of a bigger picture. In that sense, like Alberta's oil and gas, and we're an oil and gas company, I like it.
Hundreds of relationships with customers. I know a lot of people, and I still deal with people I've dealt from day one. Had many occasions where I've gotten customers out of binds with the old equipment that I've just retained from the years, and it's gone miles. They appreciate it, and it's a good thing. Soak it all in. It's up here, and yeah, oh yeah. It's I've obtained quite a bit of knowledge through the years. Yeah.
It's just the communication is key. It started as fairly young man and stuff like that, and everyone always gets along. A lot of guys have outside of work even relationships that continue through out these doors. It's always nice to see that too.
It doesn't matter if you spend $2 million a year or you spend $2,000 a year. I think we treat every customer equal. Our staff is going to be fit for duty. They're going to get the same service on the order desk all the way through to when the guys leave location in a service truck. So I think a lot of our customers know exactly who we are, and I think they can appreciate that. A lot of customers turn into guys that just swing by for coffee because they like what we're doing and they know who we are. So we have nothing to hide, and we're very proud of that. Either way, we have a very capable staff that no mountain is too tall. And I think as a team, we can pretty well overcome any challenge in the day. We're pretty proud of that as well.
Closest to Edmonton, so they kind of rely on us for their, backup service when they can't do anything. So it's up to us to step it up. I find there's a bit of pressure on us to maintain that, but we always come through. Yeah, that's kind of been instilled into most of us older guys here, and to keep a nice clean shop, tidy. It's also good for the safety. You're not tripping over anything, right? So yeah, that's kind of that goes into our culture too, right? Keep it clean, tidy, safe, right?
Oh, safety's everything, right? Everyone wants to go home the same way they showed up to work. Everyone seems to like us, and I know guys that we've been out on rig jobs for, and they might personally give me a hard time, but they're happy to see Stream-Flo.
Yeah, I think we're really well known, well respected too, not just by the public, but also the oil companies as well. Everyone thinks highly of Stream-Flo.
My dad actually, he was on the construction side, and he built the leases, cleaned up the leases for the drilling rigs, and seeing actually Stream-Flo out there installing the wellheads, and yeah, we share experiences.
We do prioritize safety. We make sure that the job is done correctly, not necessarily as fast as possible. So, and I think that comes right from our guiding principles is we do what we say. And yeah, since I started so young, I was 19 when I started, I think they know that I've come from the same place and that I actually care about them, not only as employees, but as human beings. Everybody's got a job to play, and as long as we're all doing it, everybody goes home happy.
Landon's really awesome. He makes everyone kind of feel as one team, and it's not like Landon's up here and you're down here. Landon kind of makes everyone feel part of the team. Stream-Flo's really good at training, and that comes from management and lead hands, guys who've been here longer too.
Oh, it's been great, because you see a lot of other companies didn't care. They did their best to keep everyone in every position that they possibly could. The whole time it was employee first, it seemed like. So felt a lot more job security than talking to other buddies in the same industry. Every day they went to work, they were wondering if they're cleaning out their locker, kind of thing. I was greener than green when I started. So just teaching and that all through the years has been great. The whole organization as a team, that everyone works together to come to the same goal. Fight through and support each other, and you succeed as a team and fail as a team, right?
I have seen competitors come and go from here, but we keep it going, hold our own, and still going strong, right? So good knowledge between all of us, and just we share when everybody, if he has a problem or needs a solution, he comes to me, vice versa, right? And we just kind of hash it out and come up with a good solution for the customer. It's been nice working here.
As far as I've heard, Stream-Flo layoffs are almost non-existent ever, so it's good to know you're going to get a paycheck for sure, no matter what's going on. I would just say, as much as I've learned in 6 months, and if you apply yourself here, you can, there's not really a limit. You can do anything you want in Stream-Flo. I guess in my future, I'm looking forward to the opportunity for growth, and I think I could be a leader in this shop, or if not more, if I just apply myself.
Never did I question Stream-Flo's commitment to the industry. I always knew I had a job to go to the next day, and they were always going to make sure that they were taking care of their people.
No reason to look elsewhere or even think about it.
If you take care of the people, they'll take care of you.